we are on Meilah Perek Bet Mishnah Zayin, 7th Mishnah in the second chapter of Masechet Meilah. So we're continuing to talk about the process or the steps at which certain things offered on the Mizbeach or offered in the Beit HaMikdash become Meilah. So now we're going to talk about the Lechem HaPanim. Lechem HaPanim are the showbreads. And the showbreads were baked on Friday, or if there was Yom on Friday, baked on Thursday. In the Beit HaMikdash on Shabbat, they were brought into the Beit HaMikdash. They swapped the new bread for the old bread. Okay, and they also had these things called the Shnei Bezichei Levona. I'll show you a picture of the Lechem HaPanim. Right, they're swapping out the new breads and the old breads. They're switching them up. Okay, and these are the Bezichei Levona. The incense, the Bezichim, are these like receptacles of Levona, of frankincense. And when they were done switching out the Lechem HaPanim, let's just look at the Machom and Mikdash for a second. Okay, but Malach Shabbat, over Shabbat, the Kohanim would take the bread off the shulchan. They take it out of the heichal, out of the sanctuary. They put on a gold table outside. Then they would offer the levona of in these bezichim, in these little cuppy things. Okay, after the korban musaf, then they would take the bread out and give it to the kohanim. Then they would divide it up. Okay, so that's the bezichei levona, which is relevant. Many people are all aware of the lechem hapanim. Many people are not aware that in addition there were these bezichei levona. So it says the Mishnah, lechem hapanim. When does lechem hapanim become lechem hapanim? Mu'alimbo mishugdash. When it becomes hegdesh, when it was sanctified, the flour and the bread, I guess, made it when it became dough, and it became the lechem hapanim dough. Karamba tanur, when it becomes crusted in the oven. Huchshar yipasel b'tvu yom or b'muchusar kippurim. It became muchshar, then it was prepared to become pasul if it was touched by a tvu yom, or someone who still has to bring korbanot, like a mitzvah, didn't bring his final korbanot. And once you have a crustiness on it, then it's enough of a bread in order to put it lisader, to be ordered, to set up, like the Kohanim are doing here, on the shulchan. That's lisader, to be set up, to be ordered on the shulchan. Now the Bartanur points out there's no lina. The Gati points it out, there's no lina, can't be too late, right? Lo gasina lina, nefar be'erev Shabbat, right? Because it's baked on erev Shabbat, so there's already lina. It's part of the process, is leaving it overnight. So that's not a psul. Karvua b'zichim. Once they offer the b'zichim, these b'zichim are the couplets of frankincense. Chayavin ala mishum pigul notar b'tamei. Then the lechem hapanim are now edible. Okay, hainu machshira, the thing that makes it kosher. Okay, shebeshabbat, b'shat siduk, as we learned Shabbat, when they would remove the breads, siduk alechem, when they remove the breads, ayum bakrivim ha'b'zichim mishalabonah. As we said, they would offer these frankincense. Okay, so then it became then you're chayav because of pigul notar v'tamei. If it was offered the wrong time, or notar it's over too long, and if tamei ate it, okay, then you're chayav because the kohen had to eat it in the proper way, in the proper time. But ve'ein behem meilah, there's no meilah. Why? Because it's mutar l'kohanim. Once it's mutar, nasa mitzvato, there is no meilah. We'll stop here. Dedicate our learning to memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Make it a great day.